To start with, I would like to say that the year 9 and 10 for Eastern was pretty good because there were consistently we were running channel schemes throughout quarter on quarter, and the best part was that in OND we had run a very wonderful scheme for the channels across India. That was the OND scheme, which was a trip to Singapore, and in this we had more than 300 partners qualifying under the scheme. The response was overwhelming for us, and this gave us a lot of awareness in the channel market. Plus, the confidence and the faith of the partners were increased because of our regular schemes. See, the market share before 2009-2010 was around 3%, which has grown to around 6 to 7% now. Unit shipment is increased by around say 60%. This is I'm talking about basically only about my SOHO product. My other SMB and other corporate products are apart from this. They have equally fared well. They have equally grown percentage wise. But the largest selling products is my SOHO products. So there the increase is there, and based on this increase we have a reciprocative increase in our SMB and corporates also. See, with the success of our OND Singapore trip, this year in this JFM we are again coming out with a wonderful scheme for all our channel partners, which will not only include a foreign trip but will also include various other gifts for even the resellers who will do small numbers under this scheme. So we are trying to give maximum to the reseller community, whether as per his potential of what number of packs he can do in a month or in a quarter. So if we are trying to assure our best to these reseller communities that under the scheme they will definitely qualify for a smallest gift at least. We are in the process of launching a very versatile new version 11 for our SMB and corporate customers. It will have an inbuilt web management console with extensive reporting for the system admin, and for large corporates this is going to be a very good product as far as the SMB or the corporate products is concerned. We should be launching somewhere next month. The beta is already out and we are just waiting to release the final version of this version 11 for SMB and corporates. The more attraction would be definitely in the SMB segment, because if you see the mushrooming of the SMB segment, there are more and more companies coming into this segment. That segment is growing phenomenally, and we see a large potential in this SMB segment. That is the reason why our developers have developed this special product, which we will be soon launching probably next month. It's going to be called ESN 11 for SMB and corporates, but the management console in that, the administration in that, through the web is an extensive report generating module in that. Well, we have yet to look into the commercials of it. Soon we should share all that with you guys. Yeah, definitely. If there is a competition, it's always healthy, and all the giants in this industry are our competition. And whatever products lines we develop or we try to introduce into the Indian continent in these markets, we are very well aware that we can take on these kind of competitions fairly well and even compete and win over those customers of competition products, because our products are technically sound, feature wise exhaustive, The reporting formats that we have incorporated in the new coming SMB and corporate version is extensive. Plus the manageability is very simple for the system admin guy. So vis-a-vis the competition, the ease of use in our product will be much better than the competition. In Zoho, if you see, there is Quickhill, who is the competition, and in the SMB segment, it is McAfee and Trend Micro to some extent. See, the manageability in the UTM is prefix, and whereas in a software we can customize and give add-ons to the customer. That advantage is there in the software vis-a-vis the hardware. See, we are taking off with our road shows. It's a 24 city road shows planned by us in this quarter, and starting with Pune and Goa in Maharashtra, and taking it to north, south, everywhere across the country, into various 24 cities across the country. That is for the introduction of our new coming partner program, for introducing our schemes, and overall introducing our new SMB corporate version level. Definitely, we will start with that. Once we do these product launch in these road shows, it will be followed by trainings of the channel partners on those product lines also, because definitely the channel would like to be trained in how to handle that web management, because the number of features is exhaustive. The number of reports that can be generated is exhaustive and extensive. So unless we train our channel partners, they will not be able to make optimum use and make their customers benefit out of that value add what we are going to give in our SMB version 11 product. Training, we are already on the formalizing stage. So definitely a couple of weeks or 3 weeks down the line, it will be already started, but it will be an ongoing process which will take another throughout the year. It's not easy to train the channels across the country over a short period of say 2 months or 3 months or 4 months. It's a continuous process and it's a long process, and many times some of the channel partners may not be available. There are different issues. So whatever best, we would have a continuous quarter by quarter training schedules across the country through our various offices across India. Well, it will be a combination of both. It is not that only. Let's say if it starts in the north, it will start from Delhi and be taken into the B and C class cities also. So the schedule for each zone will cover all the cities in that region. The focus cities in those regions where we are already focused. We plan to add around another approximately 1500 to 2000 channel resellers in our database. Existing, we have around approximately 5000. We are already looking into the retail outlets, and already we have one good LFR with us for the past 2 years, and we are in talks with many other known LFR brands in the country. So once the deals close, so you will find my product on those LFR shelves also. Expected in the coming financial year would be 8 to 10%. Talking purely about Zoho. See, the trends, if you talk about in the last 5 years, the trend has taken a quantum jump year on year in this malware industry. Because if you see, earlier there were viruses coming in, there were worms coming in. Now there are different sort of attacks through social networking sites. Now the kind of attacks that we will see in 2011-12 is through GPS, GPRS, through smartphones, then all those short URLs that are used, the tiny URLs, they will be used. Social networking, everyone knows that it is there. If you see, already we have had attacks on the Android platform. The ZS is there. Subnet, where these kind of viruses attacks can be used by various political governments to jeopardize other countries for political benefits. So the trend is changing. Earlier, if you see 5-10 years back, we used to talk about viruses, we used to talk about Trojans, then we started talking about phishing, anti-spams, adware, spyware. Now it is moving into a totally different arena. Largely all movable devices would be targets for attacks. And if you see these social networking sites where individuals keep large amount of personal and confidential data which can be hacked into or stolen by the hackers. So these kind of activities are going to be increasing rather than the end users being worried more about viruses or worms in the coming future.